Here's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. And in this video, you're going to ride Elevator B here at the Student Union on the University of Wisconsin Green Bay campus in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Before we ride, let's take a look at this here. With that said, we'll take a ride in the elevator. Looks like a basic Dover Impulse. And here it is. This one's got the old micro switch. Listen. So now let's go to 2. This got the newer one. Ride 2. Now let's go down to 1. Now let's get our cab view. Pretty basic Dover. It's probably put in sometime in the early 90s. Anyways, there's your hanging lantern right there. Your inspection certificate. Building directory. Seems like there's another elevator that might serve the lower level here. So we'll check that out after we're done filming this one. Get your Northwestern logo there. Your floor indicator. Used to be something there, but now it's all gone. Here's your COP and your phone. Now to exit the elevator, ring the bell and watch it close up. There it goes. And that's it.